Join me as I dive into the surprising reality of eating vegetables and challenge everything you thought you knew about them. Vegetables are often hailed as the holy grail of healthy eating, and for good reason. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help prevent disease and keep us feeling our best. But despite their glowing reputation, there's more to the story than meets the eye. In fact, some things we think we know about vegetables may be downright wrong. One of the biggest misconceptions is that all vegetables are inherently healthy. We've been conditioned to think if it's a vegetable, it's automatically good for us. But the truth is, not all veggies are created equal. Some are higher in sugar, while others are surprisingly low in nutrients. And let's not forget the ones that are so heavily processed that they're barely recognizable as vegetables anymore. This misconception stems from lumping all veggies into one category without considering their differences. We assume that because carrots are good for our eyes, all veggies must be equally beneficial. But in reality, each vegetable has its own unique nutritional profile. Some are definitely healthier than others. Another reason we tend to think all veggies are healthy is that we overlook how they're grown and prepared. We might assume that if a vegetable is organic, it's automatically better for us. But even organic veggies can be high in pesticides or toxins if not handled properly. And depending on how we cook them, we might actually reduce their nutritional value. When we dive deeper into the nutritional aspects, things get even more surprising. Did you know some veggies are high in FODMAPs, which can cause digestive issues for those with sensitive stomachs? Or that cooking certain vegetables can reduce their antioxidant levels by as much as 50%? And even the healthiest veggies can have pesticide residues that may affect our health. Take broccoli, for instance. It's widely considered a superfood packed with vitamins and antioxidants. But broccoli is often grown using pesticides, which could pose a risk to our health. Plus, cooking it may reduce its nutritional benefits. It's not that broccoli is bad, it's just that we need to be aware of these potential drawbacks. And what about the humble potato? Often seen as unhealthy due to its high starch content, potatoes are actually a great source of essential vitamins and minerals. The problem isn't the potato itself, it's how we prepare it. Think French fries and processed potato chips, which turn this nutritious vegetable into a health hazard. Some vegetables, when eaten in excess, can even be detrimental. Spinach, for example, is high in iron and antioxidants, but it also contains oxalates, which can lead to kidney stones in some people. And vegetables like kale and cabbage, though healthy, can interfere with thyroid function when eaten in large amounts. So what's the takeaway? It's not that vegetables are bad or that we should avoid them, but we do need to be informed consumers. By understanding the risks and benefits of different vegetables, we can make smarter choices and enjoy a veggie-rich diet without worry. Thanks for joining me on this eye-opening journey into the reality of eating vegetables. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And if you're curious to learn more about healthy eating habits, don't forget to check out my video on the topic. The link is in the description box.